Come test drive the 2019 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights. Come see the car for yourself.